let us move for a question. Find the intervals on which the function is strictly decreasing, strictly increasing when fx is given as 6x square minus 84x plus 1. Now, let fx is equal to 6x square minus 84x plus 1. Now, we have already done a theorem for the derivative test. Now, differentiating with respect to x, f derivative x is equal to 12x minus 84, or this can be written as 12x minus 7. Now, here we are having after derivative part, what we are left with? 12x minus 7. Now, for the decreasing part, first thing is for strictly decreasing. Okay. For number 1, strictly decreasing, the condition was what? F derivative x is less than 0. So, we are having now 12x minus 7 is less than 0, or x minus 7 is less than 0, or x is less than 7. Now, I am leaving this part here. Second thing, for strictly increasing function. Now, we are having f derivative x is greater than 0. Here we got it 12x minus 7 is greater than 0, x minus 7 is greater than 0, or x is greater than 7. Now, we are here with two different things. Number 1, x is less than 7, and number 2 for x greater than 7. Now, can we move for this part now? Just look at. Suppose here it is 7. Now, less than 7, we are moving towards this part. Less than 7 to negative of infinity. Here to positive of infinity. So, for the decreasing part now, for decreasing, strictly decreasing, what are the intervals? Minus infinity to 7. Strictly decreasing, strictly increasing now. The intervals are 7 to infinity. Now, so basically with the help of the derivative part, we can get the intervals. If best possibility is if we are doing these questions for the quadratic and cubic expressions, we are getting very simple answers and in an accurate way. Okay. So now the given intervals for strictly decreasing is minus infinity comma 7 and strictly increasing 7 comma infinity. And the question was only for strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. If it would have been for only increasing and decreasing, then we should have our intervals, just brackets might have been changed, because x is equal to 7 can make this a continuous function. Okay. So, for this question we are having this as answer. Now, the same question we are going to do with the alternative way also.